Kinesiology sessions can also be carried out online. It's very straightforward. You send me a filled out medical history form, and from this I'm able to identify what testers you will need around you. So you prepare these things next to your computer before we start. Then the first session involves me teaching you how to self-test, because we need the muscle testing. Both I do it and you do it. Now there are 3 different techniques that you can use for self-muscle testing. Now everyone's different, and so usually your body responds better to one. But the 3 are being able to have your fingers connected together like this and your 2 other fingers connected like this. We put these in between, like here, and we try and remove these 2 away from each other. Now, this bond between these 2 fingers is very strong. So normally you can use a lot of pressure and it doesn't let go. Now, when we're thinking of things that are positive or true, that aren't causing a stress within the body, we can pull them apart and there's no problem. So for example, my name is Flavia. Yeah, that's absolutely fine. Or I am a woman. Yes, that's very fine. But then when we think of a thought that's very negative or very upsetting or something that's causing a great stress, and then we try and focus on it, what happens is this connection releases and it's a very clear, sudden break. We practice this together. This is the normal one that we'll be using together. That works for most people. And once we're clear about whether it's strong and when it gives, from there we can continue the testing during the session as we talk through everything, and I too will be testing to be able to make sure that the results we're getting are the same. There are 2 other muscle tests that we can also use. One is with the arm out straight and pressure put down onto it, and if slight pressure you can resist the muscle. And the second time, if it gives and it goes weak, again, that's a symbol that what we're testing for is causing a stress. The last one is slightly more complicated, but we can use as well. So this is where we have the middle finger over this finger and we push down. Now, again, when there is a problem and there's a stress being caused, this lower finger, the joint just gives. And so I get a very clear, strong or weak. This might sound complicated, but I promise you we'll take this slowly and we can practice it. And once you've got it and you can feel the difference, then very easily we can do a treatment online. There's no right and wrong with this. We work through it together. So if you're interested in having an online kinesiology treatment, which too you can balance out with treatments in person as well, then I'd be delighted to be able to see you about it. If you have any questions, please get in touch. Have a lovely day.